In this video, we listed the 5 best portable scanners that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Epson RapidReceipt RR. The Epson RapidReceipt RR 70W is a compact and efficient receipt and paper scanner designed for easy integration into various workflows. Featuring Wi-Fi connectivity, it allows wireless scanning to smartphones, tablets, PCs, or Macs, supported by a built-in rechargeable battery for portability. This scanner stands out with its rapid single-sheet feeding capability, processing pages up to 8.5 inches by 72 inches in as fast as 4 seconds per page. It includes receipt management software that automatically extracts and categorizes data, eliminating the need for a subscription. Additionally, it supports seamless export of data to popular software like QuickBooks and Excel CSV, while also enabling creation of editable and searchable PDFs. Weighing under a pound and boasting a compact design, it's ideal for mobile or office use where space and efficiency are paramount. Number 2. Epson Workforce ES 300W. The Epson Workforce ES 300W is a versatile document scanner designed for efficiency and portability. It supports a variety of media types including receipts, paper documents, and business cards, making it suitable for diverse office needs. With Wi-Fi connectivity, it allows wireless scanning to smartphones, tablets, computers, and online cloud storage services, ensuring flexibility and convenience in document management. The scanner boasts impressive speed, capable of scanning up to 25 pages per minute and 50 images per minute with its single-step technology for dual-sided scanning in one pass. Its compact dimensions, 3.5-inch dx 11.3 wx 2.6 h, and lightweight design, 2.9 pounds, enhance its portability, supported by options for AC power, rechargeable battery, or USB power. Included software like Epson ScanSnap facilitates intuitive scanning, while features such as automatic file naming and OCR enhance productivity by creating searchable PDFs and editable documents. Compatible with both PC and Mac systems, it also integrates seamlessly with most document management software via Twain driver support. Overall, the Epson Workforce ES 300W combines speed, flexibility, and powerful features to streamline document scanning for various office environments. Number 3. ScanSnap 9-1300. The ScanSnap 9-1300 is a versatile scanner designed for efficiency in both home and office settings. It features a compact design ideal for limited spaces, yet offers robust functionality with its innovative paper feeding system capable of handling various document types. This scanner boasts rapid scanning capabilities with one-touch operation, incorporating automatic desk view, color detection, and blank page removal to streamline workflow and enhance productivity. Connectivity options include USB and Wi-Fi, ensuring seamless integration with Mac, PC, mobile devices, and cloud services, facilitating easy scanning from anywhere. Additionally, it excels in preserving photo memories with intelligent features like auto-facial orientation and red-eye reduction, making it a comprehensive choice for digital archiving and document management tasks. Number 4. ClearClick QuickConvert. The ClearClick scanner is designed for converting various types of media including 35mm slides, 4x6 photos or smaller, and negatives into digital formats effortlessly. It operates as both a film and photo scanner, utilizing USB connectivity for ease of use. Compact in size with dimensions of 8-inch dx 7 wx 6 h and weighing 38 ounces, it offers a resolution of 7200 dpi and features CIS optical sensor technology. This scanner doesn't require a computer or drivers to operate, simply turn it on and start scanning. It scans quickly, taking only 2 to 3 seconds per photo, slide, or negative, saving them as digital JPEG files on an SD memory card with a scanning quality of approximately 3824 by 2512 pixels. Additionally, it includes a built-in rechargeable battery for cord-free scanning and a 5-inch instant preview LCD screen for immediate viewing. Notably, it supports scanning photos without needing to remove them from albums or mounts, though it does not support 5x7 photos. The product is backed by a 2-year warranty and technical support from ClearClick, emphasizing its reliability and support from a US-based small business. Number 5. Canon imageFORMULA R10. The Canon imageFORMULA R10 portable document scanner is designed for efficiency and portability, featuring USB connectivity and compatibility with both Windows and Mac devices. It supports scanning of various media types including documents, business cards, and plastic or embossed cards, with a resolution of 600 dpi. The scanner is compact and lightweight, ideal for home offices, classrooms, and remote work environments. It offers fast scanning speeds of up to 12 pages per minute in color or black and white, with a 20-sheet automatic feeder for efficient handling of documents. Built-in scanning software eliminates the need for installation and automatically updates, allowing users to preview, adjust, and organize scanned files easily. The device enables conversion of paper documents into digital formats like searchable PDFs and JPEGs, making it a versatile tool for staying organized and productive.